Introducing the OptiWand Trial Pack. Assuming you know how this functions will likely lead to failure. Apply eye drops prior to insertion for lubrication. Keeping your eyes and lenses lubricated is a must. Complete the insertion process as fast as possible to keep the lens from sticking to the wand. Spread your eyes as wide as possible, keeping eyelashes out of the way. Aim the OptiWand towards a light to use as a target. Focus on the center hole and draw to the eye until the lens touches the eye gently. When the lens touches the eye, twist the wand slightly to help place it directly on the cornea, where it rests naturally. Blink until comfortable. Many clients make the same mistakes using the OptiWand. Please do not give up. Practice and patience are a must. Creativity is encouraged. Some have discovered new ways to insert or remove lenses. Available online only.